tired. The table!
The table of memories! Did they move the table?
No?
The red one.
No?
That was there? I don't remember that table. But yet it's still in the ground.
It's been there.
I don't remember it. I'm serious, I don't remember it. I remember the blue table.
We need to do that stuff again.
Could have last night, but didn't have anything.
No, we didn't have any flags.
Yeah.
Should have never said that. You still playing?
Yeah. But it doesn't know what we're talking about.
Because y'all aren't smart enough to understand what we're talking about.
That's what I want for my birthday.
Huh?
That's what I want for my birthday.
Black?
What?
The black?
No.
A hit?
Sort of, yeah.
For my birthday, I want like a big cup of tequila or alcohol, some alcohol of what kind.
That too. I love it straight. It tastes like lemonade. I don't know why it does, but it just does. It tastes real good. And the shoes.
Her shoes. I just jacked them.
Yep.
Woo! I just barely woke up like an hour ago. 2.